Aloha guys, it's Dr. Steve again. We're going to do the student data files walkthrough from chapter 8 of our textbook. Here I have table 1 I've pulled up here. We see it just looks like some words. Is this a table? Well, maybe. Okay. Let's look at the page source. And we see indeed it is. Here's the table, into the table, our table rows, etc. But we can't see any of the lines. Oh, that's because they didn't put any border in there. If you want to see the table, you don't have to see the table, but if you want to see the table, you have to put in a border. Border equals 1 at least. Okay, all right, that's good. Now let's take a look at the next one, border. Let's look at table 2. Here's table, okay, now here's a border. Looks like the same kind of information roughly, but with a border. Let's see. Yes, indeed, border equals 1, and we have the caption addition, and the table row, data, and notice the annotation helps you keep track of things. If you don't do that, you can really get screwed up as to having unbalanced tables or rows and table cells. Okay, table 3. Looks similar, I'm guessing because this is bold-faced and centered. We have table headers, a T head. Let's see. TH rather, I'm sorry. TH. Yes, notice they are container tags. They basically take the place of of your TDs, only they are formatted. The default format's different. Okay, let's go to number 4. Col span here, row span here. Let's take a look at the source. Okay, so here's a table. Into the table, we have a col span here. So you see there aren't 2 of these TDs, it's just the 1, but the 1 equals 2 here. Here's another table. Here's a row span, so it goes across the row. And yeah, okay, looks good. That was 4. Okay, let's go back up to your 8.1 index. All right, looks a little bit nicer here. You can get a caption and the THs, it looks like. Let's see if that's what we have indeed. Dot type, order 1, caption, the THs, and the TD. Okay. No surprises. Looks good. 8.2. Another example of, what is that? Is that row span or is that col span? Row span, that's right. Okay. Row span is 3 because that column spans 3 rows. Okay. That was 8.2. Let's look at 8.3. This looks like that zebra striped. This is actually quite nice. This is easy for people to read, especially when you have wide tables. You want to make sure the person can go straight across from left to right, which is not as easy as it might sound. Okay, here we have everything styled in the head here. There's your table, margin auto, border 5 pixels, width 600, border spacing 0. This is nice. TDNTH with the padding and the border style. Caption looks good. Okay, here we have alt row. So every other row, alt row. So this is one of those pseudo classes, alt row, background color, whatever that is there. And then you don't have to do anything else other than add the class. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. In this case, it's not a pseudo class. I'm sorry. It is a true class. Alt row is the name of the class. You got to put that in every other row. Okay, a little humbug, but hey, not too bad. But if you want to make it even easier, you can do it easier by using nth of. Let's see if we have that here. I'm guessing we do. Yes, looks very nice. All right. Let's look at that table caption. Yep. Okay, here we have. Right here. So the TR nth of type, so for the even ones, and the TR first of type, background color. Okay, so first row, right? TR first of type. So this is the pseudo class. We're applying it to the row. Could have applied it to a number of things, but in this case, the row. And here's the nth of type even, and we're doing a background color of that. Okay, so we're doing the evens, and that looks like that. That's quite nice. And as long as you have the difference in shading here, you can follow from left to right. I think this is good. Well, that's about it, guys. Be sure to read the book. We'll have a little bit on tables later on. Aloha.